Alrighty, so this video goes along with the Family Budget Practice Worksheet that has 10 questions for you to answer. Make sure you show all of your work on your paper, and remember you are dealing with money, so make sure to round correctly. You also need to have your notes available that we just took, that way you can answer the questions correctly. For the first 3 questions, we have a table that shows us the amount that is paid for each expense. Number 1. What is the minimum monthly salary needed after taxes to pay for basic needs? So in order to figure out the minimum monthly income needed, what should we do? We should add. So let's go ahead and add up all of these numbers. 650 plus 440 plus 360 plus 575. After adding those numbers, what do you get? You should get 2,025. So for number 1, the minimum monthly salary needed is $2,025. Let's look at number 2. If you are single and are paid hourly, what is the minimum hourly wage you will need after taxes if you work 160 hours each month? Take a look at your notes, and it will tell you how to find the hourly wage needed. In order to find the hourly wage needed, you divide the monthly income by the number of hours worked in 1 month. So our monthly income here is $2,025, and the number of hours worked this month is 160. So go ahead and divide 2,025 divided by 160. Remember, we're talking about money, so round to the nearest cent. So you should have got $12.66 for number 2. Let's take a look at number 3. If you and your spouse work a total of 240 hours per month, what is the minimum hourly wage you will need after taxes? Once again, how do you find the hourly wage needed? You can find the hourly wage needed by dividing the monthly income by the number of hours worked in 1 month. Our monthly income is still $2,025. The number of hours changed to 240. So let's go ahead and divide 2,025 by 240. And you should have got $8.44 for number 3. Let's move on to number 4. Here we have a chart that shows us our expenses and also shows us our hours worked. Number 4 is asking for a monthly salary. So how are we going to find the monthly salary if these are our expenses? That's right, we're going to add all the necessary expenses. So when you add these numbers up, what do you get? So you should have got 3,708. Now, how do I find the yearly salary? Look at your notes to see if you can find how to find the yearly salary. In order to find the yearly or the annual salary, we multiply the monthly income by 12. So let's multiply 3,708 times 12. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Go ahead and add your placeholder, and let's multiply 1 times 8, which is 8. 1 times 0, which is 0. 1 times 7, which is 7. And 1 times 3, which is 3. Now let's add these up. 6 plus 0. 1 plus 8. 4 plus 0, 7 plus 7 is 14, carry the 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So your yearly salary should be $44,496. Now, number 6 is asking us for the hourly wage. Look at your paper, look at your notes, and see if you can figure out how to solve for hourly wage. So we can find the hourly wage by dividing the monthly income by the number of hours worked in 1 month. Remember, our monthly income is $3,708. We're going to divide that by the number of hours worked, which is 140. Go ahead and divide 3,708 by 140 and let me know what you get. So you should have got $26.49 for your hourly wage. Let's take a look at number 7. Here we have a table of a married couple in Tyler, Texas. First, we need to figure out the monthly total. How do we figure out our monthly minimum income that we need? By adding. Go ahead and add up all of these numbers and let me know what you get. So you should have got $2,550 for number 7. Now I need to figure out my annual salary. How am I going to figure out my annual salary if I have my monthly income? I'm going to multiply my monthly income by 12. So I need to multiply 2,550 times 12, 2 times 0, 2 times 5, 2 times 5 plus 1, 2 times 2 plus 1. Go ahead and add our placeholder. 1 times 0, 1 times 5, 1 times 5, and 1 times 2. Add those up. And your annual salary should be $30,600. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to our last 2 questions. Here we have a table with the average cost of living per month for a family of 4. The Wynn family is moving to Austin. What is the minimum monthly salary they will need after taxes? So we need to go ahead and do what to figure out the minimum monthly salary they will need? We should add these 4 numbers in order to figure out the minimum monthly salary. So go ahead and add up those 4 numbers and let me know what you get. So you should have got $2,410. That is the minimum monthly salary they will need after taxes. Number 10. If the Wynns are paid hourly and work a total of 140 hours per month, what is the minimum hourly wage they will need after taxes? In order to figure out minimum hourly wage, we need to divide the monthly income by the number of hours worked in 1 month. So we're going to divide 2,410 divided by 140. Go ahead and do that and let me know what you get. So you should have got $17.21 as a minimum hourly wage. So make sure you have all 10 questions answered. Make sure your work is shown. After you are finished, go ahead and turn it into the black box and then log on to BuzzMath or Prodigy for the rest of the class.